Okay, so the next formula I'd like to play with pertains to electric field. So electric field is quantized or numerically quantified as either volts per meter or its equivalent as force newtons per coulomb. So what I can do is I can bring V over D down along with F over Q. I'll replace F with rho times V times G, which is the volume. V is the volume, and Q with I and T. And voltage and distance would stay the same. And I would then, using the Druid's theory, replace I with number of electrons times velocity of the electrons times area, cross-sectional area, times the quantized charge times T. And V over D would stay the same. We know that volume is a product of area times length. So area gets cancelled. And V gets cancelled as well. Because when areas have been cancelled, L over T would become velocity. So then the velocity up would get cancelled by velocity downstairs. So what I'm trying to elucidate is the fact that, so we cancel out this area with this area, and then once this becomes velocity, which it has, it will get cancelled out by this. So we're left with rho G over number of electrons times Q, which is pretty much the same as Newton per coulomb, but except for the fact that it's got the volumetric the dimension of volume there as well, by virtue of the fact that the point charge is experiencing the electric field in 3 dimensions. Thank you very much for your attention. So it's let's just look at it. V over D, F over Q. V over D stays the same, and then I've resolved F into this and Q into this. So rho VG over IT, and then I resolved I into T, I into this, and yeah, and then I cancelled it out. So area by, and then I resolved the volume into area and length. So then I brought it here, area and length. Area gets cancelled here, velocity gets cancelled once L comes out, and it's divided by T, and then I'm left with rho times G over N over Q, which is kg per meter cubed times newtons per kg, which is what acceleration due to gravity is, divided by the number of electrons passing per second, or what, yeah, it's passing per second, times charge, point charge. So that's what the units are, and it's dimensionally not non-homogeneous in view of this volts per meter or newtons per coulomb, but practically, experimentally, it's correct because it contains the volumetric aspect as well as the time quantization. So thank you very much for playing along. I hope you had a good time.